We're doing a little meaty, cheesy, chili dip today. Using that crock pot, this can't be any easier. It's a set and forget it recipe. You're gonna love it. So we started off with a little block of the Velveeta cheese. I feel like any crock pot chili cheese dip needs to have some Velveeta in there. And we're going in with this Hormel chili. And let me stress this to you. No beans. Beans don't belong in chili. Fight me in the comments. Beans don't belong in chili. To add to the cheesiness, we're going in with a block of cream cheese and a couple handfuls of cheddar cheese. We're throwing a little smoked sausage, and then we're gonna throw a little of these beef franks in there too. This is gonna be a great meaty chili cheese dip. And this was a meaty chili already, but we're gonna level it up with a little bit of smoked sausage that we diced up. Want to try to get out of the way? No sir, you're getting back in there. And then some hot dogs that we sliced up. So it's meatiness, cheesy goodness. And all we gotta do is turn this thing on to high. Let's put this lid on and we'll see you in about a half hour or so to give it a stir. Probably take about an hour to be done, right? But this is gonna be your new favorite game day dip. Stays in the crock pot, stays warm the whole time. People come and dip and eat in the whole way. Just don't double dip, baby. Whoa, all right, y'all, it's been a half hour. Now it's time to give this a mix, kind of start making things, break it down a little bit. Make sure that Velveeta's starting to break up underneath. That chili's getting into everything. The meat's getting mixed in. All right. Like I said, this is by no means done, but it's had plenty of time to start melting up and where it's a little easier to kind of chop into. Okay guys, it's been about an hour or so. I'm gonna give it a nice one last little stir up here. Everything is melted in there. We've combined everything. It's looking amazing. All the cheese is nice and melty. Got that good smoked sausage in there, the hot dogs. And this is just gonna get better as it sits on the warm setting, right? Got me a big old chip here all right, let's take a bite. Got our little dip right here. I put some on some chips already. I can just, I didn't want to just sit here dipping. I wanted to have a plate full. Guys, this is perfect. Don't wait for game day. Do this for any party you got. Cheers, y'all. You know it's good, baby.